If you're thinking about buying from Lin's Tanks, you might be wondering if it's actually worth your money. After taking a closer look, here's what I think. First impressions are pretty solid. Lin's Tanks offers a good selection of water storage tanks in different sizes, making it easier to find something that fits your needs, whether it's for home, farming, or business use. The tanks appear to be well built and designed to handle outdoor conditions, which is exactly what you'd expect from a quality water tank. One thing I like is that they focus on durability rather than flashy marketing. That's usually a good sign. Their range also includes different accessories and options, so you don't have to shop around for everything separately. Of course, no company is perfect. Before buying, I'd still recommend comparing prices, checking delivery costs, and reading recent customer reviews to make sure the experience matches your expectations in your area. Overall, I think Lin's Tanks is definitely worth considering if you're looking for a reliable water storage solution. It seems to offer a good balance of quality, variety, and value for money. If you've bought from Lin's Tanks before, let me know your experience in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.